So I seem to have forgotten to put up the video on modals. Modals are they are like a helping verb. They have a negative form, and generally speaking, they indicate ability, necessity, or certainty. Here's an example of a modal. Should. You should finish your homework. Have to. I have to finish my TV show. Normally you'd say I have to finish watching my TV show, but it is okay to say I have to finish my TV show. And then could. You could do your homework while you watch. What words are we talking about when we're talking about modals? There's a lot. All of those ones. And this is the list in the negative form. Ability means what a person is capable of doing. The swimmer can empty the pool with a bucket. The clown cannot juggle 5 oranges. Okay, so these are both examples of modals that are helping us to understand ability. And you can see that I'm using can and cannot. Necessity, on the other hand, is a required action, and there are degrees of necessity, which you have a chart in your textbook to help you to figure that out. Here are 2 examples. The swimmer must empty the pool with a bucket. The clown should be able to juggle 5 oranges. Here are the degrees of necessity from 100% to 0%, starting with must and going all the way down to could. You do have this in your textbook, so I'll just move to the next slide. Certainty involves believing that something should or should not happen, and there are degrees of certainty, which you also have in your textbook. Here are 2 examples. If the swimmer does not empty the pool, it could overflow. The clown is going to drop all 5 oranges. Here's the slide for degrees of certainty. Must at the highest percentage and could at the lowest percentage. Check out your textbook for this if you want to look at it more closely. Necessity in the past tense. The formula is generally this: modal plus have plus a participle. Here's an example. You were supposed to, modal, have completed. Completed is your participle. Your homework. You were supposed to have completed your homework. They should not, that's your modal, have, and then stolen. Stolen is a participle. And then the pizza. They should not have stolen the pizza. Certainty in the past tense. It's the same formula, modal plus have plus participle. They might is your modal, have, used is your participle, shells in the past. They might have used shells in the past. My uncle could is your modal, have, pitched is your participle, in the major leagues. My uncle could have pitched in the major leagues.